Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Land channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. And besides that, you will be part of this growing family. We are now officially 7,542 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Keep on sharing, keep on helping, and keep on subscribing this wonderful channel, hashtag Walk with Land channel. Okay guys, ang pag-usapan po natin today ay yung kay Kulada. No? Pero syempre, ano po muna natin, sino po ba si Kulada? Okay, si Kulada po ay isang party list representative, Ambis OWA representative Lex Kulada. Yun. Kasi siya po, he urged his colleagues no in the House of Representatives. Pag sinabi natin colleagues, district and party list representatives no last Friday, kahapon no na imbestigahan yung kaso ng Shopee. No? May labor concerns kasi na ni-raise yung mga truck drivers against yung digital marketplace no or yung e-commerce site na Shopee. Okay? Ayan si Kulada po ay party list representative, no? Talagang hinihimok niya, inuudyukan niya ang mga kasama niya no sa HOR or House of Representatives na iimbestigahan yung labor concerns na ni-raise ng truck drivers against this Shopee. Okay? Yan. So, he underscored the need to look into possible labor practices. Ba talaga may mga malpractices din pala itong Shopee na ito, no? So, pero logistics affiliate, no? SPX Express. Yan, popularly known as Shopee Express. The two firms are subsidiaries of Shopee's parent firm, the C Group of Singapore. Kasi alam naman po natin na ang Shopee ay based sa Singapore. Okay? So, parang Shopee has managed to skirt the labor issue by citing the non-existence of a direct employer-employee relationship. Ganun naman talaga ang mga kumpanya, no? Walang employer-employee relationship with its pool of truck drivers. So, ibig sabihin, walang mga benefits ito. So, but this is unfair to the hundreds of drivers who bear the heat of the sun to transport the bulk of goods purchased on the Shopee platform. Sobrang init, pero ganun po talaga di ba? Some 257 drivers based in Shopee's Parañaque hub earlier filed a petition for direct certification election for purposes of collective bargaining. Ito, union na naman ito. The drivers wanted to form a union in a bid to protect their labor rights, specifically to ensure proper wages as well as work hours. Alam niyo naman po guys, di ba? Pag walang employer-employee relationships, hindi ka empleyado, hindi mo sila employer, something like that, minsan na take advantage ang rights ng mga employee or mga empleyado. Okay? So however, Shopee's management had prevented the formation, claiming they are not direct employees of the company. Ibig sabihin nun, okay lang na mag-resign kayo, okay lang sa Shopee. So tingnan natin kung kakayanin ba ng Shopee. Shopee claimed that SPX truck drivers were supposedly employed by its 22 contractors or subcontractors nationwide. Ayun ang nila. Yun ang sisingilin nila. Yung mga subcon at saka yung mga contractors na yun. No? However, the drivers had pointed out that SPX actually employs them. Talaga? So hindi pala, no? SPX pala nag-employ sa kanila as the trucks they drive belong to Shopee itself. Yun. Based on official documents and records. These trucks were also being deployed and dispatched under SPX dispatching authority or yung sistema ng SPX. Hence, solely controlled, mobilized, and supervised by SPX. So the drivers filed a case before the DOLE. Yan. Dito tayo magkakaalaman ngayon kung talagang may employer-employee relationship who ruled in favor of Shopee. Ay talaga. So hindi, tingnan nyo, yung DOLE, nag-favor na sila sa Shopee. The case was elevated to the Court of Appeals for review. Ngayon, ito, pahabaan ng PC. International company ito No? May laban ba mga truck drivers? Tingnan po natin. Kaya tumakbo na po sila sa representative ng OWA. kaya ng aambis. It should be Colada Bewell that usually labor-only contractors cannot guarantee worker salaries and benefits. Dapat may salaries and benefits yan o kung hindi sa Shopee Express, kung doon sa contractor nila. No? Kasi yun yung ano nila, no? Employer nila. It should be Shopee that must be up to the task of promoting the truck workers' welfare and respecting their right to form a union under our country's labor laws. Not even a foreign firm can evade the responsibility. Like kung ano, alisin na yan, Shopee na yan. No? Naman, no, sobra naman pala yung mga yan. As the top online marketplace here, it is also high time for Shopee to lead the way in upholding labor rights. Tama naman din yun. Kasi tinatangkilik kayo ng mga Pilipino, dapat tangkilikin nyo rin ang karapatan ng mga mamimili, ng hindi lang mamimili, kundi yung mga empleyado nyo. Okay? It's Filipino workforce deserves the treatment and compensation. Tama yun, no? Yung treatment and compensation and opportunities also. According to Digital Commerce Agency, TMO Group, Shopee is the number 1 e-commerce. Kung number 1 kayo, kaya nyo magpasweldo. No? Ano ba yan? Mga ano rin kayo, no? Unghang din to mga te. Okay? With around 53.9 million monthly visits and 3 million app downloads per month. Alam nyo, pwede nga kumita to, content-wise to, kumikita na to Shopee. Nako, grabe kayo ha. Ginagalit nyo si #walkwithlan ha. Okay lang kayo. Dapat ano nito, parusahan na to mga to. Paalisin na to sa Pilipinas. Ano ba yan? Wag na tangkilikin ang Shopee dahil inaabuso nyo ang karapatan ng mga manggagawang Pilipino. Hindi tama yan. Yan. Hindi po tama yan. Kaya po mag-comment na po kayo dyan para alam po natin ang sentimiento nyo kung ano pong dapat gawin sa mga ganitong paraan. Okay? O sige po. Teka lang po bago po tayo magtapos, pasalamatan muna po natin ang ating mga subscribers. Yan, maraming salamat. 7,542 na tayo. Konti na lang tayo. O Arlene Curasa, mind conditioning, wala pang naipakita. Thumbs up, my friends. Just Grejik. Hello from Naples, Florida. Very nice. We enjoyed the tour. Thank you so much. Florida Flip-Flops. Yan. Okay, yung ano natin, Feel the World. Nasmas, John Trump. Yan. Maraming salamat sa inyo, ha. Ako si Kulada. Okay? So ito hindi pa hindi pa magkukulada pa itong mga to. Bago maglaba, magkukulada muna tayo. Okay, sige. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na po kayo para naman you can be a part of this growing family. We are now 7,542 and each subscriber that we have subscribers out there on those areas, no, on each continent that we have. Okay? Happy viewing, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all.